You're listening to the Design World Podcast. Another interactive resource from the publishers of Design World Magazine and Design World Online.
Hi, this is Miles Budimir, Senior Editor with Design World Magazine, and I'm speaking today with John Good, Vice President of Global Sales and Marketing at PBC Linear, winners of a Leadership and Engineering Award in the motion control category. John, thanks for being with us today.
Thank you.
First of all, why don't you tell us a little bit about PBC Linear? Who is PBC Linear?
Thank you. PBC Linear is a company that some people may know under the name of Pacific Bearing Company. Started 30 years ago, and relevant to this discussion is the expansion of the company into a much broader range of offerings that goes beyond its original roots as a component bearing supplier to offering mechanical subassemblies as well as customized or optimized solutions for the customers in the linear space.
Okay. Well, why do you think our readers voted for PBC Linear? What kinds of capabilities do you think differentiate you from your competition?
Well, the competitive marketplace is demanding innovation. Customers are looking for solutions that reduce total installed cost while delivering the same, if not superior, performance to traditional approaches. And in particular, PBC Linear has introduced a number of products over the last year that address these dynamics, focusing on reducing design time, purchase time, assembly, and certainly test. And it's a combination of what I will call that embodiment in the form of product, as well as bringing to bear process and people to make it happen. An example of process would be innovative manufacturing techniques such as SIMO, which is a process that was invented and is patent pending for PBC Linear that allows us to go ahead and achieve in aluminum the type of precision that only in the past has been achievable in steel, while being able to get the benefit of lower cost, lighter weight to the benefit of our customers. And then finally, on the people side, everyone is resource challenged, and they're looking for partners that can go ahead and bring to bear application and domain expertise to go ahead and review requirements and drive out the optimal solution balanced against economic and technical criteria.
Okay. Can you tell us a little bit about what your plans are for 2010 and beyond, and how you plan to continue to earn readers' praise?
Yes. It starts with being customer-centric. The common thread about what we have planned through 2010 and beyond is innovation, and making sure that we're well-grounded in the customer's experience, and in some cases the customer pain points in implementing their current solutions, and looking at creative ways to resolve those issues or combine what have been separate elements into what I will call leaner designs that lower cost and, quite honestly, are easier to implement and more reliable. Examples of where we're putting that focus is in response to some of the market trends that we see out there, including the following. There's clearly an increased use of extruded aluminum frame in machine designs, machine safeguarding, and clearly that is very relevant to introducing linear motion solutions. And as an extension of PBC Linear's IVT portfolio, you will see expanded extrusions and additional capabilities to go ahead and support this trend of modularization and what I will call streamlined assembly and design. A second key trend that we're trying to respond to is there's been an ongoing trend to go ahead and increase robotics with an emphasis of integrating robotics functions directly into a single controller. With that trend, the expanded portfolio of Cartesian robotics that PBC is introducing serves to address that, and will increasingly address that. Third trend is with everything going digital, that's having dramatic impact in what I will call digital print, digital scanning, as well as etch, laser cutting. And a common thread across these diverse applications are some requirements around precision, velocity control, and clearly addressing that with the mechanical foundation is an area of focus that aligns with some of our core competencies. And then finally, it's in the news every day with the increased emphasis on sanitary, with issues relative to food quality, issues related to medical procedures, so on and so forth. You will see increased offering and focus to go ahead and address biocompatibility, wash down, and some of the things that will allow linear motion solutions to better serve those type of applications reliably.
Okay. Well, sounds good, John. I want to thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you, and I'd like to thank all your readers as well.
You've been listening to the Design World Podcast. For the latest industry news and information, please visit us online at designworldonline.com.